Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to get more acorns on Bimobimo. To begin, focus on understanding that acorns are the main currency you'll use for many in-game purchases and upgrades. A great starting point is to consistently complete your daily quests, which offer a reliable way to earn a steady amount of acorns. Also, keep an eye out for special events. These often provide excellent opportunities to gain significant bonus acorn rewards. To really boost your acorn count, make sure you log in every day to claim your valuable login bonuses. These frequently include a good number of acorns. Beyond that, finishing all your available daily tasks is crucial for maximizing your regular acorn income. Don't forget to check the event tab often, as it highlights limited-time opportunities that can yield substantial acorn rewards. Beyond the basics, engaging with other players in community challenges can unlock shared rewards, often including acorns for everyone involved. It's also smart to explore all the different game modes available, as some are specifically designed to offer unique acorn drops or higher quantities. Furthermore, investing in upgrading your in-game structures can lead to a passive, consistent generation of more acorns over time. For advanced players, strategically saving your acorns for high-value items or significant upgrades is key to long-term progress. If the game allows, consider trading any excess resources you have with other players to acquire more acorns. Remember, smart resource management is vital. Also, for those looking to streamline their daily life, check the description below for a link to some fantastic leak-proof meal prep containers, along with other great deals.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.